Hi, it's Paul from HobbyLink International. Today we're going to have a quick look at some 3D printed tracks that we sell in our store. They're done by Miner, and they're pretty interesting because they're not just individual track links, they're 3D printed. The whole thing is printed pretty much in one fell swoop. So don't forget, if you like the videos, subscribe button is down there. You can hit the bell to be notified. Thumbs up, thumbs down buttons are also there. I know one of you is using the thumbs down button with every single video, sometimes within minutes of me publishing them, which is interesting. So anyway, this is what we're going to have a look at. So let's go have a look. So let's have a look and see what's inside here. I've got a couple of sets here, tracks for the Ketton Kraftrad and for an SDK Z250. We've got about another couple on the shop. I think one of them's on back order. They seem to be pretty hard to 3D print. I know Miner, when they get them from the factory that makes them, they've sent a couple of batches back this year already, but they're pretty neat. I think there's about 2 or 3 more that might come back because they had a whole bunch in. They had a whole bunch of them this time last year, and then there's problems with producing them, so a lot of them stopped. So basically, this is what they look like. So both of them are joined right now, so I'll quickly separate them. And then you see this is what you're getting. Let's put them the right way around. Basically they're completely flexible, and all you have to do is, you've got the little joining piece on the end there, you just bring them around and join them together. That's the instructions. You take this little piece off, line them up, and then it slots in to join them. So I'm not going to do that now, but they're pretty neat. There's not much weight to them, so they won't sag naturally between return rollers, but they do look pretty good. So let's look at the 250s. Same thing again, you just take one off the end and join them together. If I can get into the box. There's 2 sets of the 250 tracks, and again, actually just lays out a bit like a, what do you call them, a bracelet sort of thing. So they're already fully done. It's probably the easiest way you're ever going to do tracks at all. See, they'll just drape over everything. All in all, they're pretty neat. A huge time saver on, well, any way of tracks really. All you got to do is paint them up and put them on right at the end when you're done. So pretty neat little things. We have them in the shop. Don't always have that many in stock. We have hopefully there's some tracks for other vehicles coming, but it's sort of slow. But just thought I'd show you what they're like because they're pretty neat.